Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I will show you how I'm playing Lady by Modjo. We'll do it in the original key. It will be preferable if you have a low G string ukulele. But even if you don't, it will work for you. Let's not waste time and jump right in. Let's try to make this quick. Alright, so we start with the chord of B flat minor. Alright? But also with the pinky right here, I'm doing on the 3rd fret, 4th fret. Okay? We are doing this 4 times. And then we go to the chord of G flat. And again with the pinky on the same notes. 3, 4, 3, 4. And after that we grab the chord of E flat minor, and again with the pinky here, 3, 4. So pretty much this is the main part. Let me try to show you what I'm doing as a strumming. So I'm first doing 1 down strum on the upper strings, and after that with up strums, 1 up strum on the 3rd fret, and then 2 up strums on the 4th fret. So very slowly. And then on the next chords, we're doing the same thing. Lady, hear me tonight, 'cause my feeling is just so right as we dance by the moonlight. Can't you see? You're my delight. Lady, I just feel like I won't get you out of my mind. I feel love for the first time, and I know that it's true. I can tell by the look in your eyes. And here we go to the instrumental part, which changes a little bit. Again, we start with B flat minor, but 2 times. And also I'm doing a little bit more strums, most of them muted, something like. Just trying to make it a little bit louder. And now to G flat, to E flat minor, back to B flat. And we repeat the same thing, just the last time it ends on F. Let's see how this goes. F7 up here. And we do this. Alright? And we start from the beginning. So that was my quick tutorial for Lady by Modjo. Thank you so much for watching it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one.